In this video, we're going to be looking at the Anderson turn. It's one of the 3-man overboard manoeuvres for a powered vessel, the others of course being the Williamson turn and the Sharnov or Sharno turn. The Anderson turn is the fastest man overboard manoeuvre, but it's only really any good when you've immediately seen the casualty fall, are on a very manoeuvrable vessel, or have a well-marked spot that you're returning to, like a smoke float or a GPS mark or something like that. So, how do you do an Anderson turn? Well, it's really easy actually. You just put your rudder hard over towards the casualty. Remember, it's only good if you've literally just seen them fall, so you want to be moving your stern away from them. Putting your rudder towards them is going to lift your stern the other way and hopefully keep them a little bit safer. Your vessel's going to continue to turn all the way round, and once you're 20 to 30 degrees short of 270 off your original track, then start to get your rudder back to midships. You should steady up on 270, just coming back in perpendicular to your original track. And then, all you need to do is just bring your vessel to a stop, so you'll be reducing the speed on your engines because the casualty should be right there, so you want the vessel to not be moving so you can immediately launch your rescue boats. Notice the angle that you approach the casualty. This manoeuvre is only good if you can see the casualty or another easy reference mark. You're coming in perpendicular to your original track, so it's very hard to slowly run back down your track if you can't see the casualty right away. It's going to be hard to start a search from this position. This is why it's important to know all 3 manoeuvres. The Anderson is good in some situations, but a lot of the time you'll probably find the Williamson or the Sharnov turns to be much more appropriate. And that brings us to the end of this video. It's just short and sweet today. Hopefully it's helped you understand how to do the Anderson turn and, more importantly, some of the pitfalls associated with it and why often a Williamson or Sharnov turn might be better. As always, for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I try to post weekly but can't guarantee anything, so having notifications enabled will mean you're always the first to know whenever I post new content. If you have any other videos you want me to make, why not consider joining the Casual Navigation community where you can message me directly and get access to loads of bonus content. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Until next time, thank you for watching, and goodbye.